Hello esteemed colleagues. With this tutorial video we are starting to explore crew module. It is a huge module with a lot of details, so I hope these videos will help you to learn everything you need while working with this section. This section allows not only to view and control crew members and office employees, but basically create and administrate users for WAYL system, granting them permissions and control settings. We'll start from crew section general overview. You can access crew section either from homepage or from left side menu. Left side of the screen represents list of current crew members or office employees and depends from selected vessel or office. You can use search button to find employees. Search can be performed by name, surname, email address, rank and vessel. By default, search is performed in your selected vessel if you haven't selected any other. Below search button you can find department drop-down list, which acts as a filtering option. Show replacement checkbox will reveal crew members who will replace members currently on board in nearest future. If there is any replacement, you will see one or more names. Usually there will be a single name, but sometimes you can have a situation when you have two or more candidates for the replacement. Right-click the name and select Show Replacement Profile to view the person in the list. Details of profile will be shown in the middle of the screen. If replacement is not selected yet, you will see Select Seafarer text. Left-click on it to select a person. Crew replacement pop-up window will appear, and you will be prompted to select dates from until which contract will be signed. By default, system take period that you have configured for this rank in budget, seaman composition. Crew members can be searched by their names, and also you can filter list by rank. Filter status button allows to filter crew members or office employees by their status and also shows all available statuses. Upon moving your mouse cursor over status, description will be revealed, describing meaning of every sign. List of employees has an additional options available upon right click. Necessary to make a phone call will change status, meaning this person should be contacted. If this status is selected, blue notification will be created as a reminder that person should be contacted over phone. Remove from list of available seamen. Person will be removed from this list and will not be visible but will remain in system. Not to be re-employed. This status means that after end of the contract, new contract will not be signed. Set an available termination. This status means that current contract will be terminated immediately and new contract will not be signed. Rank column shows not only rank but also current status of the contract if there is any. If person does not have any contract, only rank will be shown. Otherwise, you will be able to see start and end date of the contract. If contract will end in nearest future, it will be highlighted with green. Yellow shows that contract is ending very soon, and red ones show expired contracts. If nobody is selected from the list, right top side of the screen will show only two buttons, Add New and Send Emails. Adding new person has a lot of options, so we'll start from sending emails. This function is used to send emails to travel agents and port agents, requesting to arrange travel to selected crew members. Select email address of the recipients, then choose a template. Template is used to determine which documents will be attached to the email. There are three templates. Travel agents off-signers, used for crew members leaving the vessel. Travel agents on-signers, used for crew members heading to the vessel for replacement. Port agents, used for sending emails to port agents. First two options will also prompt you to define departure and arrival airports and date. Third option will prompt you to select port of change instead. After selecting template and filling information, select necessary crew members using checkboxes and press send button. Now we will start working with already registered users. To begin, you need to select a user from the list. Information about the user will appear in the middle of the screen, and also additional buttons will appear about this information. Let's start from button. Save is used to save changes. Add new button allows to create a new user. We'll return to this option later. Remove button is used to delete user from system. Comment button allows you to leave a comment for selected person in case of need. Archive files button allows to upload and keep files for selected person. After uploading, you can leave a remark. Also, you will be able to see who and when uploaded the file. To view the file, double-click on it. Print button has a lot of options. Upon pressing it, new window will appear, prompting you to select different options. By default, sending work schedule option is being shown. We'll review all of the options one by one. First of all, you can send emails to your selected crew members using templates. Templates can be created by yourself. Every email is linked to last seagoing contract. Next, you can edit and print various information and forms depending on needs. Template tab allows you to edit this information. Left side represents list of templates that later can be included for sending. Application form shows you general information about applicant and usually being used by office employees. Using checkboxes, you can select which information will be included, like personal data, bank details, photo, etc. On the right side of the screen there are three buttons helping you to edit this form. Arrows are being used to change position. Select necessary section, for example documents, and move it up or down using buttons. Green button is used to insert page break. Position of page break also can be moved. Don't forget to save changes using Save button. Statement of allotment allows to send Siemens salary to other person in case of need. This is form which Siemens should sign. You can select year and months of salary, date of sign, place of sign, and corresponding bank details. Employment agreement allows to edit and send agreement to a crew member. Since agreement is a big document, each section is being edited separately. Select section from drop-down list, edit it, and save changes. Work schedule form allows to print or send work schedule. Select year, months, and vessel. You can select either to include or not information about the watchkeeper and select to show schedule in 24 or 12-hour scale. Performance report shows a report based on performance marks granted to person. It is based on seagoing contract, so first of all you will need to select contract from drop-down list. Using checkboxes, you can include or exclude various information like overall mark, include or not color for marks, and show or not unmarked type. Reason field text will show the reason of requesting performance report. You can decide either to include possible reasons of performance report printing or not, and enter description of reason, like in an example. Complaint contact info form is designed for creation of contract form that consists of two columns. Usually, left column is contract description and right column is contact details. you can decide how many rows you need. You can also add or delete a single row. Complaint form cannot be edited, only printed or sent, and is used to leave a complaint. Letter of guarantee is a letter that approves new person is arriving for replacement and can contain employer name, port name, booked arrival details, local ship representative details, contact details, and crew manager name. Also, you can view archive of previous arrivals. Policy section is used to approve local policies or changes by crew members. You can type text of acknowledgement, select date, and send it to a selected person. Complaint procedures form allows to create a specific form describing in details the process of complaint. Certificate of service form is used to send short details about the license of selected person, like port of registry, trading area, license number, and remarks in case of need. Payslip allows to print salary details either for current seagoing contract or selected date. Crew list prints a single crew member list for arrival or departure. Seafarers list and seagoing list cannot be edited, only printed as detailed list either of all seafarers on vessel where selected person is currently on board, or seagoing list, which includes only selected person and details about vessel. Next tab is header. In this tab, you can edit header for all forms and emails being sent through crew section. Left side has three options of titles to select. Use WAYL default title. This option will use WAYL title with WAYL logo. Use title defined in global settings. In this case, you will need to define title in WAYL system settings, and it will be used for almost all documents. Custom title. You can select custom logo and text. If you have selected this option, you will need to define header text, header description, and upload logo or image if any. Templates for sending tab allows you to create various templates from those forms that you have edited and prepared before. Left side shows you list of already created templates. If you will select any of these templates, you will be able to see forms included in this template. You can also make changes in this template. After, don't forget to press Save Template button to save changes. If you want to create a template, enter template name and press New button. Then select which forms should be included in this template and save changes. SD Archive tab contains all documents sent to selected person over the system emails. This section can be viewed by office employees. Crew members have separate section, My Documents, to view files sent over the emails. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned, and thanks for watching.